In today's episode, I'll share with you one fish curry recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. And there's a little twist to this recipe. So, with me here I have my ingredients, and from this corner I have my fish. I bought this fish for 100 shillings. Then I have my veggies over here, and I have my coriander leaves, I have my coriander stems, I have some capsicum, some tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and onion. I have my salt. For the list of spices, I have some curry powder because you're definitely making a curry, and I have some turmeric mainly for the color. I have some cooking oil, and finally I have some coconut cream. And without further ado, let's get started. So once my pan is hot enough, I'll go in with about a tablespoon of cooking oil, and be sure not to add a lot of cooking oil because the fish also has some oil. Then I'm going to add in my onions, and I'll saute this till they start turning translucent. Then I'll be back to add in my next ingredient. Now that this is how I like it, I'll go in with my ginger. Then once my ginger starts becoming fragrant, I'll go in with my garlic. Then I'm also going to add in my turmeric at this point so that it combines beautifully with the cooking oil, and so that you can have a very rich color at the end. So that should be okay. Then I'm going to stir this. And remember, I mentioned that there's a twist to this particular recipe, so be sure to check out that. Then at this point, I'll go in with my tomatoes, as well as my capsicum, as well as my coriander stems. Then I'll go in with some water. Then one ingredient I also forgot to mention is the tomato paste. So I'm going to add in my tomato paste as well, and this also gives it a very rich orange color that I really like. Then I'm going to mix this. Then I'm going to add a little bit more water. I'm going to let this cook for about 1 to 2 minutes till my tomatoes are well broken down. So as you can see, my tomatoes are well broken down. So this is the twist. I'm going to put this in my blender, then I'm going to blend it so that everything can become smooth. Then I'll be back and we can continue cooking. So I'll switch that off. Just look at this beauty. So I'm going to return this. Then I'm going to rinse this with some water. And you can see the beautiful color that we have. So it's time to season our curry. I'll go in with my curry powder. should be okay. Then I'll go in with a pinch of salt, just enough. That should also be okay. So I'm going to let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll be back to add in my coconut cream as well as my fish, and we'll be done. So this is doing perfect, and it's at this point that I'll go in with my coconut cream. Then I'm going to give this about a minute or so that it can thicken up. Then we'll add in our fish and our meal will be ready. And just like that, our fish is ready. So what I just did is, after putting my fish in, I covered it with some sauce, then covered it for about a minute. Then I was back to turn it, and now after putting the sauce on top of the fish, I've garnished with some coriander leaves, and then I switch that off. So I'm just going to let this sit here for about 2 to 3 minutes, then I'll see you for serving and tasting. So finally, my dish is ready, and I serve this with some ugali. So let's give this a test. You can see how big the sauce is. This is lovely. Wow. Well, so let's also dig in the fish. Well, wow, this is so good. This is getting messy. Lakini utamu iko hapa, my guys. You just have to try this recipe. I'll deal with that later. So guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try out this recipe, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next time. Bye.